we're extreme cleaners. We step in when there's a situation that you shouldn't, can't, or don't want to clean up, whether it be after a traumatic event, decluttering a hoarder's home, or cleaning up after rodents, C. diff, or MRSA. We see people when life is at its worst. So where do you start? You've already taken the first step by coming to our website. The next step would be to give us a call. We want to have a conversation so we can understand what it is that you're trying to accomplish with this project. The next step in the process is for us to come out and give you a free estimate. This is really important because it allows us to do a couple different things. One, it allows you to get to know us. It's really important that you can trust the people who are there going through your things. It also allows us to understand the logistics and the price behind this project so we can make it work for everybody. At that stage, we get the project scheduled and we get to work.